Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided that I'm gonna try to bleach my hair at home. Yeah, Taiwan's been in lockdown since like mid-May and it's been a few months now and I've been thinking about this for a while, so we're just gonna see how it goes. So first off, I haven't washed my hair in a few days, and then also earlier this morning it wasn't looking super dirty, so I actually put a little bit of hair oil in. I'm not sure if that's the best way to go, but I figured I would rather protect my scalp than experience some burns. This is what my hair looks like before. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is section my hair. I'm going to do 4 quadrants and then just go from there. I'm going to put lotion everywhere and then also put Vaseline around my hairline and my ears. Hopefully this is going to be helpful. I'm also going to cover it later with like a towel, so it should be fine. But this is just precautionary. You know, I'm not trying to burn everything. Applying Vaseline around the hairline. So, dressed up, I'm gonna mix the bleach and developer now. It's 2 to 1, 1 part bleach and 2 parts developer. I'm gonna be using 30 volume. I just got some stuff from like the local hair supply store. I wasn't sure which one I would need, so I got 20 volume and also 30 volume. We're just gonna like DIY this somehow. So I'm just applying the bleach from around 1.5 inches away from the roots all the way down towards the tips. I'm going in layers and using my hands to just work the bleach into my hair so that it's all saturated. In hindsight, I should have definitely used more developer because the bleach was actually really hard to spread and it was kind of just too clumpy to stick to the strands. So I put the bleach completely on the bottom right side first, and then I went to the left bottom side, and then the top right side, and then the top left side, and then just wrapped everything up in saran wrap and just let it sit. As you can see, it's very orange with a massive clump of hair in the back that I completely missed. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in and just do like the little pieces, one by one. So this is after my second round of bleaching. I'll wait for it to dry, but right now it's like pretty orange on the top, but like fairly platinum on the bottom. This side is also darker than the other because I applied it on this side first and let it process, and then this one I didn't wait as long. This is what it currently looks like in the morning. It's still wet. Yeah, that's not a good sign. Yeah, I think I'm probably gonna go and dye it again. It's a little bit orange still in some parts. But I might give it a week or so. We'll see. A closer look at the situation. It's pretty yellow all around with some white at the bottom and then orange at the top. So this is the next day. I put some coconut oil and also a deep conditioner in my hair before because it was pretty damaged yesterday, and I know I should probably wait like at least a week or two before I try to touch it up again, but I'm really impatient, so this is what it looks like right now. Da-da-da, da-da-da. It's super orange up top, and then the side is much darker than the other side because I put the side in first, so it processed first, and the side didn't have enough time, so I'm gonna do the side first today. We'll see. Wish me luck. Okay, so I'm gonna go wash this out and then begin the bleaching process. Just gonna go in with the orange and then afterwards do like a different technique, mixing a little bit of shampoo and conditioner in there to dilute the developer a little bit. Yeah. Hi there. So this is after I rinsed the hair mask out. It's just a little bit damp. I found that after yesterday, I actually prefer working with wet-ish, dampish hair rather than completely dry. It's just easier to section, and everything just stays more organized. I'm gonna reapply some Vaseline. I found yesterday that it definitely wasn't enough to just go around the hairline. If you have long hair like me, it's literally gonna get everywhere, especially like the neck area, the chin area. You can kind of see some small burns from yesterday, so I'm just gonna slather it on and hope for the best. I'm also probably gonna bleach my brows today. Definitely a risky move. Fingers crossed that it goes well. But yeah, so I'm gonna do the whole area around my eye as well. You've already seen this, so let's skip through. Just a friendly reminder that if you have long hair like me, make sure that you apply Vaseline around your neck as well, because if you're keeping it down, it's definitely going to get on the neck area, and that hurts. Okay, I put my hair up, putting gloves on, and I don't know if you can see this, but like this entire chunk here is just like breakage. And then when I pull it up, it's literally just like so broken. Yeah, not good. Okay, so today I'm gonna do a bleach wash. It's gonna be 1 part bleach, 1 part developer. I'm gonna use 20 volume and then also shampoo slash conditioner, just to dilute it a little bit. It's supposed to be a lot less damaging than normal. Put a mask on because inhaling bleach is not fun. Yeah, so I went in and did the bottom part already, just the orangey spots, and then I'm gonna do the left side, the right side, and then maybe just let it sit for a little bit and then wash it out. I was originally gonna do like 1 full round all over, but like I don't think my hair is gonna be able to handle it. So we're just gonna like try to spot hit those orange bits. Okay, there we are. Reminder not to use metal, it's gonna react to the bleach, but I use it on the non-metallic parts. Sorry, not the non-metallic, the non-bleach parts. Bleach montage 2. You already know what's going on here, so I'm starting off with separating the hair and just laying it flat. For this round, I really focused on just applying the bleach to the strands that were still brown or orange, just so that I could lighten those and avoiding the white or light yellow pieces. As you can see, I'm going strand by strand. Yes, it's taking a little while longer, but at this point, I felt like my hair probably couldn't take another round of bleach. So just to be on the safe side, I really wanted to be specific with where I applied it. I applied this technique throughout my entire head, and that's all there is to it. So the spots are mostly covered, I think. I'm gonna do a bleach mix for my brows. Same concept, a little bit of bleach, some 20 volume developer, and then also like a hit of conditioner. That's amazing. That's spooky. I'm gonna do this maybe like 5 to 10 more minutes and then go wash it all off. And then we'll see how it goes. Okay, deuces. I'm gonna wipe my eyebrows off with a wet towel. Guys, there are like little black strands on the bottoms and on the centers. Probably just gonna use mascara or something to cover them up, or just like tweeze them. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hair now. So it's still pretty orange in some areas. I'm gonna do a test strip of like toner on an orange-ish part, and we'll see how it goes. This is the dye that I got. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but it looks like it kind of just tints. So hopefully it'll be fine. So it's looking fucking crazy right now. I did a test strip up top and it just turned purple. So I figured I would just do the bottom, and it's weird because like I applied the most dye here, so it's really purple. I only applied it for like 1 minute, and then the rest is like silver yellow. Yeah, it's kind of strange. I think I'm gonna try to do just like a purple base ombre down, and then maybe try to tone the top.
Maybe I'm lost again. Maybe I'm lost again in my thoughts again. Maybe I'm lost again. Maybe I'm lost again in my thoughts again.
Okay, so this is the final look. Yeah, I'm not super mad at it. It's gonna be yellow for a little bit. I might tone it later. We'll see.